Britt.
Heather. I love, oh God. Okay, sorry. Is this the intro though? We're not saying.
Hold on.
There is a gorgeous ensuite bathroom. Sorry, let me start that over again.
The luxury feel in this
3-bedroom and 3.
The main ensuite is on the same level as.
You will love the gorgeous upgraded ensuite bathroom. That's too many words.
Luxury custom built home in the, I practice this.
Kitchen has everything you need. Luxurious appliances and real.
Hold on. Listing link there for you. Oh no.
The primary bedroom, or excuse me, I'm gonna say that it's the only.
These split bedrooms offers,
Am I talking when I'm doing this?
the split floor plan offers privacy for each involved through a Jack and Jill bed bath. Blech, dang it.
This little condo at Inlet Dunes is adorable. Just the right amount of space with the bunk area and a nice 1-bedroom. Not too much.
I can't wait. Let's go.
At Inlet Dunes is the right. This condo is perfect for vacation or you're just, excuse me. Sorry, I don't know where to. With extra details, I don't know.
So for more information, look in the description below.
Let's try that again.